this is one of the reasons I'll take you to, and this leads me to the bonus. Find your lane in project management. Listen, I'm not the most technical aspect of being a project manager, meaning there's some project managers that are so technical that'll run circles around me. But what they can't do is connect with people the way that I do. This is why I wrote the book right behind us, The Magnetic Project Manager. The reason why I wrote that book is because you have to be magnetic. You have to understand when you get to this project manager role, you in that project coordinator role, there is you don't have any direct reports. People don't. So how do you convince somebody to do something that they don't even report to you? Mm. So being able to have an impact. That's why I always say to you, family, if you are connecting with your stakeholders, learn more about them than the actual work, because that's going to take you further when you need a favor. Hey, Brian, I really need this favor. If you could, I know you said it's going to take a week, but I'm getting a lot of pressure from leadership and they really need this because they want to show it to the board. Could you meet me in the middle? You think you can get it to me by Wednesday instead of you getting it to me by Friday?